Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use Blackbox AI step by step. Blackbox AI is a coding assistant that can generate code, explain code, optimize code, and help with debugging. First, open your preferred browser and search for Blackbox AI. Open the official website from the search results. When the site opens, click Get Started Now or the Home button in the top right corner. This will take you to the account creation page. Now create a free account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Then click Create Account. If you are asked to verify your email, go to your Gmail inbox and open the verification email from Blackbox AI. Follow the link or button in the email to complete the verification process. After your account is ready, you can also install the Blackbox AI extension if you want to use it in your browser or code editor. Search for Blackbox AI extension and install the first official option you see. Once the extension is active, you can type natural language prompts and ask Blackbox AI to generate code for you. For example, you can ask it to create a function that calculates the monthly profit, and it will generate the code for you. You can also paste existing code into Blackbox AI and ask it to optimize the code, debug errors, explain complex logic, or refactor functions. It can even help you create unit tests and understand code in simple words. After the code is generated, always review it carefully and test it before using it in a real project. That way, you can make sure everything works correctly. You can also make websites now in the same way. That is how you can use Blackbox AI. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.